Good guys. My name is Sudhakar. I'm a 3D artist and recently I have been learning coding and cybersecurity. While learning the cybersecurity, I found this competition like called Into the Scrappers, and I have registered in this competition like where I need to write a scrapper and it should be fetch the data from the websites using the uh, bright bright data software. And what I done is like using the bright data and my own Python programming, I have created one tool. I have created the tools within the rules, like where they have mentioned the rules here. And so first thing is like I opened the bright data. After registering, I got a link to for the site for bright data. And in the bright data, like I need to register the things, like for example my user ID, password and everything. Then once I registered, I have used the Google Gemini because I am the only one person and I'm totally new to development. In this development, like I need to click on the scrappers, and in this in the scrap after clicking the scrapper, and I need to click new, and I need to click on the develop a new web scraper. After creating that, I need to enter the which site that I need to enter at the same time. Like for example, like I have used the LinkedIn. Why I have lose? There is already a preset LinkedIn website is there, but still, why I use the LinkedIn is like because I try to apply for a lot of jobs, and if I go for jobs, if I type something here, sometimes I am not getting the proper filters. So at certain point, like I started to decide that better I can become a developer, like that I thought. Because like like I found lot of bugs in the LinkedIn, and one day it will show something. If I go and see, that thing will get refreshed and I can't able to see the other things. So what I done, I added the LinkedIn on my own. I copied the LinkedIn link from here, and I added additional instructions. And in this instructions, like what are the things, like I took this prompt. Uh, I written my own commands, and I told the Google Gemini to refresh the sentence if there is anything wrong, or the AI can understand. So in that way, like I have created some things, and I told to ask the scrap that, like get this data, scrap data from the LinkedIn, like job title, company name, location and salary range, etc., etc. Once I have given those information to the uh, informations to the bright data, and then I started to scrap the details. Once started to scrap the details, like it started to give the details, like it asked me like we have already have a scrap. I just created a custom scrapper here because the rules are like we need to create our custom data scrapper, so I used that. Once I started to use it, it will start to generate the things and everything. And here is the thing, here is the scrapper which I generated. Once that data is being generated, like in the first it will show the code only. So this code only it will show. What I done after creating my code, I open the Python. Like I know Python and Python programming, and using the pseudocode and flow diagram using Google Gemini, I given the Python code, like these are the things needs to be done. And once if I run the script, it should open in a beautiful GUI, and and I need to enter the the job position and the location. Like for example, I have entered the London, and I told to trigger the scrap. Once it started to it will say that it is started going to start triggering the things. Once it is triggered, like it will show in the scrappers that what is actually doing here, like status is running, and here the things are all running, and here the API data is collecting the information from the LinkedIn, like what are the jobs are available and which location it is available. Once it is completed, uh, it will allow me to download the data like in different formats like JSON, CSV, and other data formats. So here it is showing the status, like uh, how much pages it is scanning, and it is showing that now it is completed. Once it is completed, now I need to click on the download option, and you can see your output in different formats. I choose JSON because it give raw data. Once I have given it, I can save it in my JSON folder. And today, like I have saved it, like today it's 19th August, so I am saving it as a 19th August data and saving it. Once I saved it, I created the tool, like which is like to see the results like in a beautiful graphical user interface. And for that, I just clicked uh, JSON, and I have saved it and opened it. Once I'm opening it, like it is so easier to apply for my job. So now I found the links and job position easily. Like if I want to apply for uh, this job opportunity like 3D designer hybrid techna, once if I click on that, it will automatically redirect me to the techna. So if I click on apply, I can apply easily. Already I have logged in the LinkedIn, so if I want to apply it, I can apply it more easier. So another thing is like as in the competition, like I need to upload in the GitHub. So what I done, I have created a README to what are the things these tools will do from the start to finish. So here I have created the things like using the Google Gemini, like how to write the scripts, how to what is the main uses of this tool. And once uh, you read go through all the things, you can use it easily in your PC. But in this code, like in this GitHub, you can't get that mm, bright data thing. But I have used the scrap.api, and in the rules, uh, yeah, I will upload the right now. I will upload the example. Like we got that 19th August, right? So I will upload the 19th August JSON in the get that repository. So to upload it, like I have click on this add file and create a new file. Sorry, add file. Sorry. I need to click upload files, and then choose your files, and then I have given the JSON, and I have added JSON. In this JSON, I have added August, and it's a what it is named as. Let me check the name so that I can um, keep it clearly. So yeah, what it is, it's a example structured output. Yeah, so I can keep it as an example. Yeah. So I clicked it, and in the JSON, like 19th August, and I kept it as an example output. So if I keep it as an example output, and if I click on it, it will automatically start to upload. Once it is started to upload in the GitHub, like it will automatically show here, like it is taking time. It seems like, yeah, I think so. It is taking time. Oh, sorry, two times I uploaded. Sorry, I forgot to give commit changes. Once I am giving the commit changes, add some files to include in this commit. Let me go back and check whether it is uploaded. No, it is not uploaded. So upload files, choose your files, and I need to rename it properly. There is a something, there is a slight mistake, and click open. Your file is started to processing. Yeah, and yeah, demo video. Yeah. So here, like, I have added these things, and I have explained how I uh, use the bright data. And basically, like, I'm not into in this, and literally this is my first project that I have developed as a developer, because I am from different field, like I'm a 3D artist. So in this GitHub, how to install it? Like, I need to go for the code, and uh, yeah, first I need to get this thing and get this link. Once I got the link, and I need to click open the terminal. After opening the terminal, I need to paste these things. Once I pasted it, like, it is already exists because I already done it. So once it is done, I need to uh, open this cd and then go for the terminal again. It will open the folder. So now it is into the folder which we have created. Once we use this DRI dir, it will show the mm, what are the files are there. Once it is there, we should, write uh, Python, and we need to write this scrapper.py. I think, yeah, scrapper.py. dir. Why it is not there? Just give me 1 minute. I was checking this. Add file code GitHub. Yeah, I'm rechecking it. Like, sorry, I need to delete this thing. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yay. Git clone. I need to paste this. Already exists. dir, and okay, let me check in this section, like, see, let me check there is a file or not. Yeah. So after clicking it, yeah. Oh, I need to give it again because I think it is created another folder inside that. Okay. So what I done, like, there is a mistake, but it's okay. Like, you can write it right here and open terminal here. It will open here. Again, you can give dir. Once you are given dir, there will be a scrapper.py. Just write it Python scrapper.py. Once you started to give, it will automatically start to run. Now what I done here, I have given 3D artist, and it started to search for the things. So if I give London again, it will start to if I give trigger scrapper, it will go back to the bright data, and it will start to fetch the data from the LinkedIn. So after fetch, I have given upload results, and if you click on it, that's it. So this is how I done it. And yeah, I have used AI in the codes because I know, like, I'm a beginner in programming, like, not a beginner, like, no, I don't have experience, I can say in that way, because from my previous industry experience, like in a gaming experience, like once we are working multiple projects, then we will automatically say that, yeah, I can say that I'm like a professional programmer or something right now. Like I haven't worked in any programming environment, so that is why, like, I don't know what to say, in what way I need to say like that, and that's it. And so yeah, I have used some YouTube tutorials, like even in this thing called resources tab. I used the resources tab and I found this guy video. It was so helpful to navigate out how this bright data is working. So that is how I found bright data, like how to use it. Even the into the scrap was is giving a $50 for the uh, bright data to use their account freely. So I think, yeah, it is a so useful thing for me, because I try to create to automate my resume to uh, apply to all the company in the LinkedIn. But I think, as here they have mentioned, like every day that the website can be changed. So at the time, I need to update my programming things in my Python. And if LinkedIn add a bot that it should not work, means then my script will stop working. And seriously, this is a helpful tool for me to to create my customized programming things. Yeah. And yeah, as I said, uh, this is my first project. Yeah, that's it. I'm the only one person working in this project. I think I have followed all the rules which is mentioned in the into the scrappers. If yeah, I have done everything using this bright data and pycharm. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Yeah, thank you.